How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Catching Cars. My name is Isaiah, and this right here is the key to our test vehicle today. Thanks to Drive, we have this 2021 Volkswagen Golf R. So of course, we're going to take this out on the Autobahn, see how it goes, and then we're going to come back and give you guys my impressions. So let's get going. Alright, so we are on the Autobahn now, getting ready to launch the Golf R. We have traction control off. The Autobahn is super busy today, but we're going to go ahead and see what we can do. I'm going to launch it now. I would say perfect timing with that van there in the back. So 0 to 200 happened pretty quick. Now it is time for my impressions. And let me start off by saying my mind has been changed. I recently said that my favorite out of the Mark 8 Golfs was the GTD, and that was the case until I drove this. This thing is actually quite a lot of fun. You don't expect it from Volkswagen, especially driving or after driving GTIs. I was quite a bit disappointed. I mean, of course, you don't get much sound. You don't get really anything. I mean, you get extra power, but they're not as fun as they used to be, even though the ride and handling is very good now. Here in this Golf 8, this is even a pretty much base model Golf 8, so you don't have the performance package. You do not have the Kropovich exhaust, and it's still a lot of fun. I turned off ESC completely earlier, and I tried drifting a bit in the wet, and it's actually possible. Even without drift mode, you can drift this a little bit. I think with drift mode, it'll be even better. Also, the exhaust, you can set it up to have some fake noise pumped in, just like with the GTD, but you can also go to pure exhaust mode if you go to vehicle, no, you go to mode here, and then you go here to motor sound. I have it in German right now. That's what the rental agency had it in. I did not change that yet, but if you put it in pure mode, you actually get some crackles and pops, and you don't get that stupid fake noise pumped in. So yeah, really a lot of fun. Really impressed with this, and yeah, who knows? I may have to get one of these days. Really nice. Of course, that the engine sound is a bit artificial, and you can tell. But it doesn't always crackle and pop, just every once in a while, and when it does, it's so enjoyable. Really like it. Not really much else to say about this. Of course, the usual negatives that I've already mentioned with the GTD, and that goes for all Mark 8 Golfs, is of course the infotainment, the assistance systems, which are stupid, to be honest. But this is the best Mark 8 Golf, period. And we're going to end the video there. Make sure you guys subscribe. I see a lot of you guys watch the videos without subscribing. It would really help me and the channel out if you subscribe. And of course, we're going to have a lot more videos coming.